guys, this is my way of doing a quick weave. This will work for me. What you see now is 2 caps on my client, and also I sew the cap down. What you're looking at now is the curl pattern. It's pretty much called beach wave, and I don't use a wand for this. I actually
to achieve these waves,
flat iron for this.
I'm going to show you a technique with the flat iron.
Now,
okay?
Is
you see that wave right there? And then when we brush it out, it looks just like a wave. The same type of wave that we got going over here. Okay? Let me show you again. Go down in it. I'm acting like I'm finna curl it, and then I'm gonna place my hand right here, and then I'm gonna go up under right here, and then I'm finna place my hand right here. It's not gonna burn you guys, because all you're doing is grabbing it, and then I'm curling over again. Then I'm gonna place my hand on that little part right there, up, then I'm gonna place my hand, and all this is the curl part right here. Okay, so instead of having it flat ironed, we actually have a wave in it. Okay, let me show you up here. I'm gonna do another wave up here, and this is one way you can actually blend in your hair a little better instead of just having it straight. Put the hair back. This is her leave out. Like a curl, finger, bend. Since it's so short right here, then that's all we're gonna do. Okay? And then once I smooth it together, you see how it blends in so better with it? Since instead of having it really short, I mean just straight, you're actually making a wave with it. Okay, let me show you over here. Okay, if you want a deeper bend, there you go, put a deeper bend in it. The finger there, just to give it a little curl. And all it's going to do, you guys, is make it blend in a little better. Because we always see leave out, it be straight, and the hair does not be straight. The hair be kind of have some type of waving. Now see how just by me texturing that, you see how it makes it look? Just like this, you guys. It made it look so much better, because it has a little wave to it. Okay, I will come back with the final product. Thank you.